We're going to show you how to remove the headlight right here and then also the light bar that's above the headlight on a Model Y Premium. So as you can see that we already removed the bumper, the tub, and then the light bar that's in the center of the Model Y Premium. So the headlight is actually connected to the light bar above it, which is why this is a very expensive product. And we highly recommend you at least PPF it. It doesn't cost a whole lot. I mean, it's a pretty expensive part if you ask me. But removing it is quite simple. So once you have all the frunk removed and then the front bumper removed, you do have to remove those things. You'll have access to it. So let's go around here and then remove all the 10mm. That's really all you need. And then maybe like a trim removal tool, perhaps to remove the clip. So right off the bat, there is a 10mm right there. And here's the tricky part. There's a 10mm right underneath this, right where the headlight is. It lines up and it's right under there, and that's a hidden one. So once you get that out, great, so that's number 2. And then number 3 is on the inner side right here, which is all the way on the top. Okay. Once you have all 3 of those removed, let's switch position and then you can go this way. There is actually just one clip right here, and all you need to do is pull this red tip. I'm going to use my left arm. It's actually pulled, sort of. You heard that right there? And once you pull it just a little bit more. And then when you pull it, it kind of pops out like that. One other tip that we try to mention, whenever you move, we always put our car in service mode, and all you have to do is go to software, click on the launch edition, put service. That typically helps in our experience to make sure that nothing trips out whenever you're moving stuff. Okay? So once you have that removed, it should actually come out pretty easy. You do a little tug, you can already see it's loose. Okay? It's a pretty big thing. So just keep that in mind. Oh, right there. And then it's connected to this little bar right here. Boom. And then I kind of go diagonally. Okay? And I actually purposely did the passenger side, because on the passenger side, if you notice, I didn't pull it all the way. This is not anything connected to the actual light, because this is the harness that connects to the light. However, these are the clips that connect to the bumper. So this is why this is pretty important. So don't pull this all the way. Make sure you use a trim tool like this or something a little bit bigger. Then you just want to get under it like that and kind of massage it in and out. So let me just hug this a little bit. There you go, that's one. There's 2, and then it's pretty easy and self-explanatory. It puts it back. But that's how you remove the whole headlight and the light bar. It's a big hunker right here. But if you have any questions, let us know in the comments below. But that is how you remove this.